Hello kids. So today we will continue our lesson on place value and about numbers, about understanding the difference between Indian system and the international system, and how we say in Indian system and how we say in international system. So if you remember, we talked about ones, then we talked about hundreds, then we talked about thousands, then 10,000s, after 10,000 we have lakh, so lakhs, then 10 lakhs. So these are different places. So when you write a number, then the number will have different places: ones, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and so on. So for example, if I give you a number of 8, so 8 has got only one digit. So digits are from 0 to 9. So this is single digits. So this is ones. But if I write 6, so now this number is not a single digit. It has got two digits, 6 and 8. So now this number is quite large number, much larger than 8. 8 is just 8 pieces. So for example, if I count on fingers, so these are my 5 fingers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So only this many is 8. But if I talk about 6 and 8, which we call 68, is much larger. So obviously it is larger than 10. So here this one we call ones, because this is the place value of this one is ones, and the place value of this one is tens. Okay, that means there are 6 of tens. That's why it is 60, and there is 8. So 68. So 6 of tens. So if I say 10 fingers, so this is only 10. But if I bring 6 times 10, 10, 10, and so on, 6 times, then it makes 60. 60 and 8. So 68. Okay? Let us think about larger than this number. So I will write 2 in front of here. Now this is a much larger number, 268. Okay? So this is called 268. So this is ones, tens, and this one is hundreds. Hundreds. That means it is more than 100. It is actually 200s. Okay, so this number is 268. Okay, so here the first one is ones value, the place value. The second one, we are going from right. The second one from right is tens. Third one from right is hundreds. Okay, so there are 2 of hundreds, 6 of tens, and 8. That makes 268. If I write in words, I will write like this: 268. So 268. Here we do not write S hundreds, we write 268. This is number. So this is called place value, ones, tens, hundreds. Now let us write a little larger number. So I will write 3, and then again I will repeat this, 268. So this is much larger number than this one. Okay, it is so large that we cannot count on our fingers. We can count on fingers only up to 10 or some more than little more than 10. But here 3268. So here we already know this place value is ones. This is the place value of tens. This is the place value of hundreds, and this is the place value of thousands. Okay, so and when we write, then what we do, 3268, we put a comma here. We put comma after the first 3. So this is in a period. So this is together and comma 3. So we will read it as 3268. Okay, now if we go larger, so I will add 2 here. 2, 3, 2, 6, 8. This is much larger number. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and this one is 10,000s. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth digit, the fifth number that we have put is 10,000. 2 of the 10,000. So this represents 2 of the 10,000 means 20,000. 20,000. And then 3,268. So total this is 23,268. Again we will put comma here. So we will write as 23,268. Okay. Now, if we go further up, then what will happen? So let me give one more. 3 here. 2, 3, 2, 6, 8. Okay, so this is much larger number. We already know these are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and after 10,000 it is lakh. So that is Indian system, lakhs. So in the Indian system it is 3,23,268. So this is the place value of lakhs. So 3 lakhs, 3 of the lakhs. Okay, 1 lakh we write like this, 1 comma 5 zeros. So this is 1 lakh. So in this number we have got 3 of these plus 23,268. So 3,23,268. Have you imagined such a large number? Yes, sometimes in your bank account you will have this much money. Okay, this much Indian rupees. Okay, Now if we go even further, so I will add here 4. Okay, so 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, 6, 8, any number we can imagine. Okay, here already we know place value of ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, and this is 10 lakhs. That means 4 times of 10 lakhs, that means 40 lakhs. It is already 40 lakhs plus more. So 40 lakhs, and already we have 3 lakhs, so 43 lakhs. So here in this case we put like this. So it will be 43 lakhs 23,268. Very large number. But this is Indian system. In Indian system we will call it 43 lakh. Here we will write lakh, not S, not lakhs. 43 lakh 23,000 268. 268. Very, very large value. Okay, but I told you in the previous lesson that this is written in different way in international system. So 10 lakh value is called a million. So for international system we will write like this: 4 and then comma 3, 2, 3, comma 2, 6, 8. So this will be 4,323,268. That is international system. And this is Indian system. So this is how we call numbers differently in international system and Indian system. Okay, so after 43 lakh, if we go further higher, then we are going into crores. So the crores value, let me put another number here. Let me put 3 here. 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, 6, 8. So this is really huge number, very large number. So ones place value, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, and then crore. 1 crore is 100 lakhs. So this is crore value. Okay, so here we will say 3 crores 43 lakhs 23,268. So how many digits we have in crore? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 digits. 8 of these numbers make crore. So that means 7 will make 10 lakhs. Okay, so this is crore. So this place value is crore. Crores. This is 10 lakhs. Okay, so So now if you want to write this in words, then you will write 3 crore 43 lakh 23,000 268. So this is how we will read. Okay, if there are one more, then it becomes 10 crores and so on. So right now we will go up to crores. Okay, in international system it was already 4 million. So after 4 million it will be tens of millions, right? So it will be 34 million if we write in international system. Okay, so same number if we write in international system, then I will write 34 comma 323 comma 268, and I will read it like 34,323,268. This is also very large number. So this one and this one are same, the numbers are same. That means if you have got this much rupees in your bank, so whether you call it this way or this way, then rupees is same. Only difference is how we call it. So in Indian system you will call, I have 3 crores 43 lakh 23,268 rupees. But the same money you can also call 34,323,268 rupees. Okay, so this is the meaning of the place value. The place values are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh. So 10 lakhs becomes 1 million, and then crore. So this is all about the Indian and international system, about place value, and understanding what are large numbers, how do we call them. Okay, let me give you one more example. So I will write a very, very large number. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So since there are 8 digits, you already know that it is a crore. So here we will put comma. So first comma will be after the first 3, and let's work in the Indian system. So that means here is the thousand value, 10,000. So then this is lakh value, 23 lakhs, and then this is crore value. Okay, so 1 crore 23 lakhs 58,768. This is how we will read this. So see, if we put comma, it is so easy to read, right? If we do not put the comma, then it is very difficult to understand what these numbers are. So I hope you have understood about Indian system, international system, large numbers, how do we put comma, and what are the place values. So let me review what we studied today. So we studied about the place values. There are different types of place values: ones, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs and crores. So when we write numbers, we see from the right side. So right side, for example, 268. So 8 is ones, 6 is in the tens place value, 2 is in the hundreds place value. So this becomes 268. Little larger number, 3268. Here ones, hundreds, tens, hundreds, and this is thousands. So 3268. One more number, then it is 10,000. So 10,000s. So here it is 23,268. Then comes the lakhs value, lakhs, place value of lakhs. So 3,23,268. Then 10 lakhs value. So 43,23,268. And this in international system will be known as 4,323,268. Just putting the comma at different places. Then crore place value. Then from 10 lakhs we have got crores. So this is 3 crores 43 lakhs 23,268. So these are the different place values, and how we recognize a large number is by putting comma. The first comma is after 3 digits, then after 2 digits, and then another 2 digits. So this is the Indian system where we have to recognize crores, 10 lakhs, lakhs, and so on. In the international system, we put first comma after first 3 digits, then another comma after the second 3 digits. So this will be read as 4,323,268. So this is how we learn about large numbers, Indian system, international system, and the place value. So thank you very much for watching this video. And if you like this video, please do click the like, and also please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.